Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Canon printer drivers. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. So just go into your browser right here. And then once you are now in the browser, on the search bar, just search for Canon drivers and then click on enter. Once you do that, just click the first link in this part. So I'm going to click on this. And then in this part, all you have to do is to go into the search bar. We're going to search for our printer. So let's say, for example, that we are using Pixmat DS3722. So just search for your driver right here. And then after you search for it, just look for the results. And then just click the printer that you're currently using. So I'm going to click on this. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do next is to scroll down and then look for support. So click on support right here, and then we're going to click on software and drivers. Once you do that, just scroll down once again, and then we're going to look for software and drivers, which is right here. So what we're going to do is to, of course, select our operating system. So as you can see right here, it is now automatically detected. Same goes for the version. However, if you are using a different operating system, of course, you can change it right here. Same goes for the version. Now, if you scroll down once again, you will now be able to see software and driver right here. Now, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then look for print driver. Once you look for it, just click on download, and then let's wait for it to finish. Once it is done, what we're going to do next is to click on open file, and then we're going to click on yes. After that, what we're going to do next is to go into the file explorer, and then click on downloads. After you do that, you should be able to see this folder right here. So once you do that, we're going to click on the search bar on our Windows, and then we're going to search for add printer or scanner, and then we're going to click on open. After that, we're going to click on add device. After that, we're going to click on add a new device manually. After that, we're going to click on add a local printer, and then click on next. And then in this part, click on the LPT1, and then we're going to look for any USB file that we can find. So if you see it, make sure that you click it. However, in my case, I don't have that. So I'm just going to click on null right here, and then I'm going to click on next. After that, what we're going to do is to click on have disk, and then we're going to click on browse, and then click on the downloads right here, and then look for the folder that we have just extracted earlier. So click on it, and then click on driver. And then all you have to do is to look for your printer driver in this part. So let's say, for example, that this is your printer driver. So we're going to click on it. And then as you can see, we now have this printer. And then we're going to click on next. And then you can change the name if you want to. And then we're going to click on next once again. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. After that, click on do not share this printer, and then click on next, and then click on finish. And then after that, you'll now be able to see it right here under your printers and scanners. So that is basically it.